All right, guys, good morning. It is Tuesday, and I am up here at Rainbow Glass. I broke the glass in my coffee table, and I had to come up here and get a new piece of glass. Rainbow Glass is up here, right across the street from System Plus College Foundation, right down the road from Robinson Mall up here in Angeles City. But Rainbow Glass, these guys right here, they did the cabinets in our store, in our Sorry store, and they did an awesome job. And like I said, I'm up here because I need my glass replaced in my coffee table. 480 pesos for a piece of glass. They cut everything, measured everything. But yeah, these guys do an excellent job. They do windows, they do, I mean, you can see they're replacing, or got window frames here and stuff, but these guys do the cabinets like in the Sorry store. But anyways, that's where I'm at right now. And it's another hot day. Looks at the store. I got some running around to do, and the day begins. Pretty self-explanatory right there what kind of day it is. You guys, you got to understand something too. That's without the humidity. And I've been in my car now, running around doing errands for the past hour. So there it is, 100 degrees. And like I said, pretty self-explanatory. You guys, I made the mistake last night. I left my windows down in the car, in the carport. I got a bunch of these little flies, these little gnats, these little bugs flying around inside the car here. People probably think I'm crazy. I'm driving down the road, smacking into the air, trying to get these little bugs that are flying around. I even put down the window, but for some reason they don't want to fly out. They just kind of like hanging out here in the car. Ay, ay, ay. All right, guys, I am back now from running around. You know, I was reading some of the comments in the last video I put up, and you know what? My wife tells me, don't be so hyper. Don't be so hyper. And you know what? She is kind of right. You know what? It was really, now that I think about it, you know, it was not really a big deal. You know, I shouldn't have, I guess, acted the way I acted. You know, I am in the Philippines. You know, things like this happen. You know, I guess I got to step back a lot of times and take my, the way I think from the States, and, you know, my thought process from the States, and how I think and what should be done and how things should be corrected, and just step back. And, you know, thanks for the comments, you know, the positive comments, and let me know, hey, you were right, you were wrong about the situation. It got resolved, and, you know, now that I think back about it, you know, I probably could have handled it a little differently. But you know what, guys, trust me, they did a great job. You know, 3 of those dudes, I mean, they were hot and they were sweating. We were feeding, you know, giving them water. We were buying them sodas. We even fed them for lunch, which is kind of like a customary thing you do here when people work for you and they're around for lunchtime, you know. And I did give them a tip at the end. You know what, I guess they could have just not told me, but they did bring it to my attention. So, but anyways, like I said, sometimes I got to just step back and reevaluate and not be so hyper, like Lit tells me. So anyways, I'm back now from picking things up. I want to show you this table here in the glass. That's the coffee table right there, and that's the glass. It's probably maybe a 2-foot by 3-foot tinted piece of glass, and for 480 pesos, I think it was like $9.50 US for that. I mean, that's dirt cheap. And see, you know what? That's what I'm saying. Sometimes I should just sit back and not complain, because you know what? Other things make up for other things here. I guess you could say that. But anyways, I picked that table up. I picked up my drill, my DeWalt drill. It was on sale, 20% off. It's a combination drill, hammer and drill, and it came with bits, 20% off. It came to 4,499 pesos, roughly about, you know, say 5,000 pesos. So that's $100 for it. And like I said, let me show you here what it came with. It came with, you know, regular wood drills, sort of different ones. Like I said, 20% off, and it came with that. Came with some mason drills, and I also got a little drill bit to go through tile, because in the bathroom where the tile is, I got to hang a few things. And then of course it came with the drill. That's the drill chuck with it. Also, it came with the 220 plug. That's a 220 plug, rounded edges. Got the adapter, so I'm good to go with that. But yeah, that's it. I mean, good deal, good price. I mean, you know, $100 for this drill. You know, is it cheaper in the States? Is it more expensive in the States? I really couldn't tell you. All my drills and all my tools and everything I sold before I came to the States, and I had them for years. And I bought DeWalt in the past, and I've had no problem with it. Also comes with, I think, a 3-year warranty on this. So anyways, I picked that up. What else did I pick up? I picked up a 220 power strip plug here. Everything in here is 220. I do have the converters, the little converters I bought to transfer some things that are on 110 that I need to plug in. I have one of them little converter boxes to convert from 220 to 110. So, but anyways, pick this guy up, 460 pesos, I don't know, 950 maybe, but got a lot of these. So anyways, guys, those were my buys today. I gotta head up to Jumbo Jenra, get another shelf, needs another shelf, and that's on sale at 20% off, so gotta hurry up there and get one of them. But I'll probably head over to the store later. Lut's over there now. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, hot and humid out. So anyways, I thought I would just share some of the items I bought today. All right, guys, we are back in Jumbo Jenra. Gonna here pick up a shelf. I'm over here, looks like they got the school supplies up and ready to go. School starts, I think school starts next month. Yeah, next month school starts. So yeah, they got their school supply stuff up. So people are buying school supplies, getting ready for school. Lut is looking at school supplies, and we got to head down this way and check out the shelves, see if they're on sale still. They were 20% off, so hopefully they're still at 20% off. So yeah, we're gonna head down here and check it out and see if they're on sale. Oh, there's Lut. Music's playing, so I gotta shut this off. All right, guys, we just picked up the stand. Lut's in there getting it right now. 20% off. We paid $2.3. So not a bad deal. What's 2.3? That's 2.4, maybe like $50. So yeah, we just picked up the stand. Now I gotta head over and get the car. But Jumbo Jenra, we are at Jumbo Jenra. Parking lot's always full. Gotta park back here. Got your motorbike parking, your trike parking. You got your trike line. Those guys line up there, send you on your way. This is the back parking lot here, and we got stuck back here. But this is it. All right. Now we got to get it loaded in the car. That was we actually picked up the last one they had. and we bought the floor model because they didn't have any more in stock, so we had to get the floor model, which is perfectly fine with me. I looked it over, it's in good condition, nothing wrong with it. But you know what, I don't have to assemble it. I assembled the other one we bought, a very simple, easy assembly, but anyways, I gotta pull up there right now and we gotta get this in the car and we gotta get home. And Lut has another shelf. You guys, the traffic's so bad. Look, there goes Lut. Traffic is so bad, I don't know what's going on here, but it just seems to be so bad today. Yeah, that was Lut. We couldn't get the cabinet fully assembled, or the shelf fully assembled in the car. It was just too big, and so Lut had to get a trike, and they stuck it on top of the trike, and they're gonna bring it over to the apartment on the trike. But yeah, there went Lut. All right, everyone, there is Liberty. Liberty is whining and crying because she's hungry. She wants to eat.
She's hungry. Pussycat, love ng pussycat. She's hungry.
Liberty!
Liberty, say hi.
Say hi.
Hello. I'm getting bigger.
Yeah, I don't think Liberty's hurting for any food. Anna Grace is, she's here with Sheila's nephew.
Nephew, son.
Her son. That's your son?
Yeah.
Oh, that's Sheila's son. I thought that was her nephew. Wow.
Son.
And
That's
Hannah Grace has built, what have you built here, Hannah Grace?
A puzzle.
A what?
Puzzle.
A puzzle?
Puzzle house.
Oh, a puzzle house. And can you explain the puzzle house, Hannah Grace?
No.
Why?
Can you explain what is this?
Yes, can you explain what
That's
it
a
is?
terrace.
The terrace?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is
Dining.
dining.
Dining,
And this is the kitchen.
kitchen.
And this is the bathroom.
And what is this area here?
Oh, nothing.
Nothing.
Sala.
And
Sala.
what about these? What are
That's
these here?
our,
They're your cars?
that's our horse.
Oh, your horses for
Yeah.
transportation. Wow. That's very nice. And anything else to explain about the
And this
the
is
puzzle
the
house?
flowers.
Yeah.
This is the door.
Oh, okay.
And this is plant.
Lamps.
And you,
Lamp.
Liberty, what did you do today? What did you do today? Sleep. And I'm whining right now because I'm hungry. And I want to go back to sleep. That's what you do today? Oh.
And Sheila, what do you have to say?
I don't know.
Ate Sheila's cooking.
Auntie Sheila is cooking. What are we
I'm
cooking?
going tomorrow to Manila.
Cook
Looking
tocino
for
and
someone
like that.
for
Fish.
single team.
Oh yeah, Sheila's going to Manila tomorrow.
And, you know, I'm ready to mingle.
Yeah, it's nighttime here.
Blah, blah. Sige.
Yeah, it is nighttime here. I don't know where the other cats are. They're out there somewhere. They'll come running when it's time to eat, I'm sure. Anyways, not a very exciting day. Just doing a lot of running around, trying to stay cool, staying out of the heat. Turn the air on later on, or I turned the air on earlier today and laid down in the air to cool off. But nothing really exciting today. You guys seen it. Tomorrow, what I gotta do tomorrow? Oh, I gotta run to UPS, not UPS, FedEx. I got FedEx something back to the States. So anyways, guys, you know what? Before I go, talking about my nephew Owen, keep him in your thoughts. He's still in the hospital. I mean, he's going to be in there for quite a while. Said the surgery went good. Everything was good. He still doesn't have feeling in his legs. CAT scan showed that He said the surgery went well and the pins are in place and everything, but he still has some swelling in his spinal cord. I guess it's, what is it, your spinal cord? I don't know. Anyways, he's in for a long recovery road, like I said, so keep him in your thoughts. So anyways, guys, tomorrow's another day. The journey continues, and we'll talk to you then.